Dear students who are studying in class 7, please accept my heartiest congratulations. You all of you know your half yearly examination is knocking at the door, and I hope you are all finished your syllabus. Now you are revising all your subject. Since I'm an English teacher, and I would like to advise you to revise your English syllabus again and again. If you do it, you will be certainly do well in your upcoming examination. I would like to give you a suggestion. English first paper, Unit 3, prize giving day at school, page number 17. Please write down it. The students who bring your English first paper book, please write down it. Okay, page number 17, Unit 3, lesson number 1, prize giving day at school, and lesson 2, Unit 3, page number 19. Since we have already finished our syllabus and we have already revised it once time, now I am giving you the suggestion. That's why you can properly take your preparation for your upcoming examination. The most important passage is Unit 3, Lesson 3, page number 21. I think it will be certainly come in your examination. Unit 3, Lesson 3, Flora's first day at school. The passage is so much important. I think it will become. This passage is important all over the country. The students who are studying in class 7. Okay. Unit 3, Lesson 3, page number 21. Okay. And Unit 3, Lesson 4, page number 23. Then Unit 3, Lesson 5, page number 25, The Best Friend. The story of the best friend is very, very interesting. Am I correct? The pages give us important information, or by this passage, they want to understand that friends is forever. Actually, whenever the friends hurt us, we have to forget it. If the friends help us in our danger time, we should remember it. We should not forget it. Okay. Then Unit 4, people who make a difference. Page number Unit 4, Lesson 2, a teacher. This page is also important. Okay, actually in first paper there will be 2 scene pages. 2 scene pages now? Is it correct? Shahana is a teacher. A teacher and a Flora first day at school. These 2 pages is so important. We all of you know 2024 revolution, and there is a passage about a new generation Z and revolution. We all of you know in 2024 a revolution take place in our country, and from this revolution by this time our famous singer Shahjahan write down the Kotha. I think it's not so much important. There is only a poem. Whose child is this? I have already taught you about the poem and various types of question, and only from this poem there will be a 10 marks. How many marks? 10 marks. Whose child is this? This poem is so important. And unit 5, please go page number 49, unit 5, lesson 1. Please go to the page number 49, unit 5, Begum Ruqayya. This page is also important for you, for your half-yearly examination. Lesson 2, lesson 3, Helen Keller. That's all. If you read these pages again and again, I think only from these pages will become in your examination. Okay? Okay, no more today. Bye bye.